Circle K charges $4 for 65 ounces of soda, and RaceTrac charges $2.50 for 34 ounces of soda. Katie only has $3 and wants to get as much soda as possible. Which store should she go to? How much more soda will she get for her $3? So I want to go ahead and look at the word problem, and I noticed that we're talking about dollars to ounces for RaceTrac and Circle K. So I'm going to start taking those notes on my paper. You should too. Circle K and RaceTrac. And I noticed that for Circle K, the ratio is $4 to 65 ounces. And the ratio for RaceTrac is $2.50 to 34 ounces. Now they want to know how much she can get for $3. So I'm going to use my dollars as my unit. So eventually I got to find how many ounces she would have for $3. And I'm going to do that for Circle K and RaceTrac. So now thinking back on what we did yesterday, I know that my unit is going to be the dollar. How do I go from 4 to 1? How do I go from 4 to 1? I got to divide by 4. 4 divided by 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And then if I did it for the first ratio, I got to do it for the second part. In your calculator, what is 65 divided by 4? When I calculate it, I get 16.25 ounces. Now I'm going from $1 to $3, so I'm multiplying by 3. So I'm going to do 16.25 times 3 in my calculator, and I get 48.75 ounces. So for $3 at Circle K, she can get 48.75 ounces. Now I got to do the same thing, find the unit for RaceTrac, and move forward that way. So my unit's going to be my dollars again. So going from 250 to 1, I need to divide by 250. So in your calculator is 250 divided by 250. I can bring up my calculator and do 2.5 divided by 2.5, and I get 1. So then on the other side, I gotta do 34 divided by 2.5. So I'm going to divide it by 2.5. On my calculator, I get 13.6 ounces. Now going from 1 to 3, I have to multiply by 3. So I got to do the same thing to the ounces. I got to multiply 13.6 times 3. So I'm just going to hit multiply by 3. And I get 40.8 ounces. So the first question, which store should she go to? I would say that she should go to Circle K for sure, because they will give you way more soda per dollar. And then how much soda will she get for her $3? For $3 at Circle K, she would get 48.75 ounces. We always want to answer in a complete sentence, so we should have written down that she should go to Circle K because with $3 she would get 48.75 ounces. She should go to Circle K because with $3 she would get 48.75 ounces.